Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or change your color in your photos on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Snapseed application in order to open it up. And now you can tap on the open button to choose any image in order to edit it. After opening up the image, you can now choose from various different editing options. Now, if you wish to change the color settings, you have the various different styles that you can use in order to choose from various different color presets. If you are not satisfied with these, then you may manually set and choose your color from the tools option as well. Now, also within the tools option, you will find various different presets that you can try within your image. But in order to manually change and tune your color, just tap on the tune image option. You can now tap on the settings button and choose from various different parameters to change within your image. And after choosing the parameter, you can simply use the slider at the top in order to increase or decrease the chosen effect. After making your desired edits, you can just tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner to apply your changes. And now you can tap on the export button to export your newly edited image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add or change colors of your image on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.